Sewu Gilimanuk Beach is part of the West Bali National Park. This beach is administratively part of Malaya District in Jembrana Regency, West Bali. As students of the Tourism Destination Study Program, it is our duty to promote tourist destination. Now I present to you the beauty of Karang Sewu. Karang Sewu Beach Gilimanuk is an interesting tourist spot to visit. This beach, which is located not far from the ferry port Banyuwangi, is famous for its stunning sunrise view. Apart from offering amazing views of the sunrise, Karang Sewu Gilimanuk Beach also has other beautiful views. In this place, you will find a wide grassland. Tourists can do various activities because this grassland has a flat and open land structure. If you want to go on vacation in the West Bali region, then don't miss going to Karang Sewu Beach. Well, see you in another tourist destination.